I'm profession from administration. Today we are going to start a lecture. We are going to discuss some of the important topics of customer relationship management. As you know, that this customer relationship management is a very fundamental piece which is very much required for being successful organization. Sometimes it is very important for an organization that until and unless they will have a grip on customers, they will understand the customers, they cannot sustain a business. They would lose their grip on the market and the competitor will take over their customer base easily. So let's begin and try to listen why it is a very say effective definition by Bob Thompson from Customer Thing Corporation. He said that successful CRM is all about compositing the relationship valuation, not as an alternative to having competitive product or with reasonable price, but as a differentiator. If your competitors are doing the same thing as you are, as you generally keep doing it, product price won't give you a long-term sustainable competitive advantage. But if you can get an edge based on how customers feel about your company, it's a much more stickier, sustainable relationship over the long haul. In short, if I say customers and company, they share a mutual bond. It is just not about selling your product and making profit. It is about something which makes you a unique, distinct, and for a sustainable, the market. For example, if your competitor are following the same policy, then you are also. So, in a long time, you would lose your market share, you would lose your customers, you would lose your business. So, you have to build up something which is important to the customer, which is desirable by the customers, and this is something which is required. If we see what is CRM, so from the point of view of management, CRM can be defined as an organized approach of developing, managing, and maintaining a profitable relationship with customers. If I say for any business organization, what is CRM? They mean that by anyhow, if they maintain a relationship with the customer and that makes profit for the organization, that means they are into a good CRM. But if we say in terms of IT organization or technology, CRM is a software that assists marketing, merchandising, selling, and smooth service operation. Let me give you a clear hint. CRM is a process, is a practice, as well as a software. A software which helps organization to do lots of business activities, for example, your marketing, trading, selling, and many more. And if you talk about the pioneer in the CRM, it's the fastest Boucher. He was the first person who coined the term CRM, and he was a very leading researcher in this field. He said that it's a core business strategy that integrates internal process and functions and external network to create and deliver value to a target customer. It is grounded in high quality customer data and information technology. It means that it is a situation where you create a value and it delivered to the customer. And in return, you get profit. And by the use of technology, it has become a wide approach, wide visibility, and multidimensional. The primary goal of sharing is to increase customer loyalty and in turn improve business. So, in brief, we can say the CRM is about maintaining your customers and being in a profit, either by the help of your CRM softwares or by your policies and strategies. Well, we do have ingredients of CRM. They are the essential part of any organization to survive and for the basic implementation of CRM. Let's speak about business reports, customer care, human resource management, lead management, marketing, Salesforce automation, workflow automation, and analytics. These all eight parts are equally important in CRM, and they are having a very strong and say impactful impression. So, first of all, I've talked about analytics. It is the process of studying, handling, and representing data in various graphical formats such as charts, tables, prints, etc. in order to observe market. We do have a business report which includes accurate reports of sales, customer care, and marketing. In terms of customer service, it involves creating, collecting, sending, following customer related information to the concerned department. Personal information such as name, address, images, previous purchase patterns, requirements, and references, etc. Another important ingredient that is human resource management. Human resource management involves employing and placing the most reachable human resource at a required place. Then we have lead management, which means that it involves keeping a track of the sales, leads and distribution, managing the campaigning, designing customized forms, finalizing the mailing list, and studying the public. Marketing involves forming and implementing sales strategy by studying, assessing, and the customer innovation. Salesforce automation, that's another part. It includes forecasting, recording sales, processing, and keeping a track of the potential. Workflow automation, it involves streamlining, scheduling various processes at once. It reduces cost, time, prevent assigning the same task to multiple. Now, if we say objectives of the CRM, it is about multiple goals which you achieve. First of all, improve customer satisfaction. It helps in customer satisfaction as the satisfied customer remain loyal to the business, spread good word of mouth. This can be accomplished by fostering customer engagement via social survey, interactive blogs, and various methods. Expand the customer base. That's another objective. That CRM not only manage the existing customer but also create the knowledge for prospective customers who are there. It helps creating and managing a huge customer base that foster profit and unity going for a seasonal enhanced business sales. CRM methods can use more deals, increase sales, improve forecast accuracy, and sales. CRM also helps to create new sales opportunities in this right improve workforce productivity. CRM system can create organized dynamics of workforce sales and sales management. The sales staff can view customers' contact information, follow up via email or social media, manage tasks and processes. If you say the history of CRM, it started in 1970s and which had seen a lots of changes. For example, scaling with a business efficiency. Sometimes a business adoption of a CRM comes out of necessity, rapid growth, and which can make manual CRM simple. Something more than spreadsheet or email tools appear in many of these handcraft systems offers a minimum viability of 5 or 10%, but have decreasing efficiency. Cloud-based CRM support business tools without requiring some continual reinvestment. It also works to describe the objective of capacity or feature of business. The ability to upgrade or downgrade as sequential quickly. Lower sharing data in real time with all teams. In customer service, data sharing can be more than just information. In fully integrated systems such as those that bears CRM, computer, telephone integration, representative gain instant access to key customer record as soon as. We do have automation, data entry for consistency and accurate information. The value of data sharing depends largely on the quality of data obtained. A complete set of notes from the previous program. The value of the days. Without automated data entry, a busy solution is not automatic or burdensome requirements. It may also waste valuable time that may be spent building the record in face-to-face. If we say analytics to verify process and increase the context, an automated data entry system this year provides the raw material for business. For manager working with thousands of hundreds of different data, farm and CRM provides critical it can also help boost adoption of data exporting the asset can make more efficient and turn staff and governments to more it can also allow the liberty to test or experiment reducing costs to make customer service more efficient. A reduction in cost is one of the great benefits of data consistency, build efficiency to customer service, and analytics can verify and probability. The reduced cost doesn't necessarily means smaller or less significant either. The more efficient customer service intermediate reduces associated all of this means employees. This is all for today. I hope it may help you gain a new perspective about this. Thank you.